So I'm Steve Kivel. I'm the owner of Grand Central Watch. It's a family business that was started by my grandfather right here in Grand Central in 1952. I was here in the 1970s as a very little kid, and walking through the terminal used to be a little bit scary, especially as a young boy. So the terminal changed significantly since then. The way that everything was cleaned up and preserved, and seeing all the original parts, whether it being the ceiling or the floors, with the cracks and all its original patina, if you might add, around the station, and seeing how that was preserved and kept. I'd say we were pretty much steady the first 40 years, but in the last 20, we really took our business to another level. We've since added a workshop, which is about 1,500 square feet here in Manhattan, where we have 8 full-time technicians doing nothing else but servicing watches. So we've become a lot larger in the repair industry, not only for retail clients, but for the wholesale trade also. I'd probably say some of my best times was coming in here as a kid with my dad before the terminal was fancy, and I used to go to Zaro's Bakery and grab a bagel with lox cream cheese on it and an orange juice, and then go to work with my dad. It's special to be in a family business in one place in today's day and age for such a long period of time.